Hello and welcome to the sofa. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, my link will be down below if you're interested. You might have seen I posted a picture of some pound bargains I got in B&M. Now also if you watched my last video, you would have seen how I use this app to find the bargains. So something on the shelf could be saying it's £8. If you scan it with the app, it will tell you it might be £1. Not all the time, but maybe. So today's video I'm going to share with you what bargains I got from B&M and also some bits and bobs I picked up from Home Bargains. I was having a look at sort of like the fake flowery sort of thing and I came across this. This is obviously a Christmassy type centerpiece. It's glitzy, glitz and glam, love it. And the price on it said £7.99. So I liked the look of it and I scanned it with the app and it was only £1. So I only paid £1 for this instead of £7.99 and I thought I'll put that away for Christmas. The next pound bargains I got were these beautiful glitzy candles. These were originally £2.49 and I like the look of them, so I scanned them with the app and they were actually £1 each. So I picked up two of them and they look like that. They also had like a white glittery one there as well, but I was going through quite a lot of the candles and scanning through them and a lot of them are half the price than what they are saying they are, or quite cheap. There's some like little tiny jar ones. I wish I took a picture but I didn't, and they were only 50p. So if you're a huge candle lover, I'd recommend going to check out the candle section in B&M with your app and see what bargains there is to be found. I would have brought more, but I do own way too many candles. I picked up a tube of washi tape. These were actually £1.99 and you get 13 in there. All nice brightly coloured, perfect for any sort of craft projects. So that's a really good price because I know that you can go to Hobbycraft and I think they're like £3 each in there, or sometimes like £2. So £2 for all these, absolute bargain. If you follow me on Instagram, again, self-promo, sometimes us YouTubers have to do a bit of a self-promo because no one else is going to do it. But if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a picture of a light switch that I covered in washi tape. It was Pac-Man washi tape and I did it to annoy my mum, so she didn't appreciate it, but yeah. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, link down below. Roxy, calm down. Calm. My little dog Roxy's a bit crazy and she likes to bark a lot. So I was in B&M last night and I've opened it, so it's a bit of a mess. But I came across this and this is a bark stop. It was £3.99 and it looks like this. So basically, I haven't got a battery for it because you need a special battery, but you put it somewhere and then when it hears your dog bark, it sends off like a funny like noise that only the dog could hear and it's supposed to like make them be quiet. But then I was like, I don't know if I want to do that to her. I mean, it says it's safe and humane, but I don't know. I'm not sure about this yet. Right, so moving on to Home Bargains. I love llamas and alpacas. They've become quite fashionable at the moment, but I've always liked them since me and my friend Lauren went to watch The Empress New Groove many years ago in the cinema, and since then I've been obsessed with llamas. And I always found it really hard to find anything with llamas on, but because they're like fashionable now, they're like everywhere. So I picked up this really cute cushion and it says less drama, more llama, and I love this. I also like the little bobbly bits along the top and the colours are nice and pastel and it's nice and pink on the back. And to go along with the llama type themes, I also got some cute little coasters. This is a pink one, it says I llama you lots. I haven't opened this, so I'm gonna do that now on camera because I think they're all different colours. So, oh yeah, they say different things. So we've got that one, the pink one. And then we have got like a sort of grey type purple colour, and this one says less drama, more llama, and that one looks like that. And then we have also got a yellow one and that says drama llama. It looks a bit green on camera, but it is a yellow. And the last one is sort of like this mint green, and this says a glamorous with that kind of detailing, and I love these. So anything llama at the moment, I'm mad about it, and they've got a really good range in Home Bargains at the moment. Again, I think on Instagram I posted a picture, link down below. Oh, I forgot to say, the llama cushion was £2.99 and the llama coasters were £1.49. Constantly always running out of pens, and marker pens in particular. I do like a Sharpie, but these are just as good. These are just coloured marker pens and these were £1. No different than a Sharpie, and obviously you're paying a lot less. So yeah, great for £1. This time of year, I kind of like to potter around the garden. I do like flowers and a bit of gardening and everything. So I went into the Easter section because everything was reduced, or was reduced. I think all the good reduced stuff had gone. These weren't reduced though, but these were like little cute wooden ladybirds, and you can use them for lots of craft projects. But what I thought, because they come with like a sticky back thing, I'm going to pick that sticky back thing off, and then I'm going to get a good glue and I'm going to stick it around my flower pots in the garden and up fences, so it looks like I've got ladybirds walking around the garden, which I thought would be quite cute. And I suppose if any kids come round, it'd be fun trying to find all the ladybirds. So yeah, 49. I thought this was really cute and bright and beautiful, so I picked this up. This is just a key ring. It's got some cute little coloured baubles on, and then it's got like this magenta tassely bit. And this was only 99p, and I just brought this to go with my locker key for work because I'm always losing my keys. I thought if I put a nice big key ring on it, I'm not exactly gonna lose it, am I? So yeah, that was 99p. Home Bargains had some phone cases in there for £1. This is the one I picked up, so that was £1, and it's just white. It's got some floral on it and some little tiny diamondy type bits. It doesn't actually fit my phone. This case is actually for the iPhone 7, and I've got the iPhone 6 Plus, but they didn't have any for the 6 Plus. But I got it anyway because I desperately needed a case because mine was all smashed and I'm a bit stingy when it comes to buying phone cases. So as you can see, if you look at the camera bit there, it doesn't fit properly. I mean, the camera still takes pictures properly. It doesn't pick up any of the white bit, and then obviously there's a random hole there. According to my receipt, I also brought some alioli, which is a garlic mayonnaise dip, which I first tried in Spain because that's where it comes from. Absolutely gorgeous, recommend it. And that was 89p. And then the last thing I picked up was these. I brought 2 of these last year, and I put them on my fence in my garden, and I plant like little flowers in there obviously, but yeah, so I have 2 on the, oh, that was got, oh no, the plastic's just come off of it. I think it's like made a mark. Ugh. Oh well. So I got this because I got 2 on the fence. It looks a bit odd, so I thought a 3rd one would make it look better. I cannot remember how much this was. Bear with me, let me look at my receipt. Okay, so this was only £1.29. They've got quite a lot of nice gardening bits in there at the moment. Same with B&M. B&M's got some great bits in there. I did film some of the gardening bits in B&M in my, not my last video, but the video before that, if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up because that makes me very, very happy. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button and turn on post notifications by clicking that ding-a-ling. And I will see you next week. Bye!